Pregnancy and COVID. As we all know that COVID positive patients are increasing every day. Prevention is the only cure. And if you are pregnant, you should limit your antenatal visits to clinic or hospital. First visit 11 to 13 weeks when level 1 scan or NT-NB scan is done. Second visit should be around 18 to 20th week when anomaly scan or level 2 scan would be done. 24th week you would be given DT vaccination along with flu vaccination, and 28th week or between 28 to 32nd week growth scan would be done, and Boosterix injection, which is also called diphtheria tetanus pertussis injection, would be given is one. Second, if you get any signs or symptoms of COVID infection, which can be fever, cough, loss of smell or loss of taste, or generalized weakness, you should always first connect with your obstetrician and then consult with physician. But do not panic. Simple measures would help. Take Crocin, paracetamol 500 or 650 milligram for fever. Start B complex, start vitamin C capsules, and maintain hydration. Have lots of fluid, coconut water, lemon water, smoothies, buttermilk, everything. Please do breathing exercises. You do breathing exercises in Vajrasana or butterfly position. You should be doing cat camel exercises and walk every day inside your house 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening. Healthy vegetable, fruits, healthy diet, and lots of herbs to be taken, which is tulsi, adrak, haldi, kiwi, and lots of fruits. If you have COVID positive report of RT-PCR, do not panic. Stay at home, home quarantine yourself. Keep monitoring your oxygen level, and if it is more than 94%, you should not panic. Most of us, more than 90% of people, are having simple minor symptoms. They do not need hospital admission. If you have cough, please take steam inhalation and do gargle every day. Betadine mint gargle is good. If you are COVID positive, there is no emergency for labor or delivery. This is not an indication for immediate delivery or immediate cesarean section. So what we need to do is, even if we are COVID positive, we would stay at home 10 to 14 days of quarantine. Once symptoms have subsided, only then for any obstetric indication we would come to the hospital. But in the meantime, if you develop any symptom of labor symptoms can be leaking PV, or if your water breaks and you are wet till your feet, which is called leaking, you should come to the hospital immediately. If you feel that fetal movements are less than 5 movements in 5 hours, you should come to the hospital. So you should count fetal movements. Morning, once you get up, from morning till 12 till 5, and 5 till 10, you should feel 5 fetal movements in every duration, and if it is less, you should come to the hospital. If there is bleeding per vaginum, please come to the hospital. Or if you feel that pains are coming rhythmically after every 10 or 15 minutes, please come to the hospital. Even if you are COVID positive, these are all obstetric indication for delivery, and we would deliver you. But if you are COVID positive, there is no indication for elective cesarean or elective delivery. Please stay at home, let your symptoms settle, and we would deliver at right time when you are beyond 38 weeks or 40 weeks of pregnant. Stay safe, stay healthy.